The history of Nigeria is shrouded in mystery, but what still is the history of the Igbo people? Before the mid-1950s, we thought the Igbo had no ancient history, no ancient civilization. Then the Igbo Ukwu discoveries opened our eyes. Since then, numerous surprising ancient discoveries have been made in Igbo land. Still, unlike the celebrated history of Ife and Benin, most information about Igbo history is not in the public sphere. That's why I'm creating an archive of things documented about Igbo ancient history. I'll make videos on every discovery, dated and undated, historical narratives, origin theories, archaeological excavations, and hypotheses. I'll bring you lectures, talks, and interviews from historians, archaeologists, and other relevant people. I know some would say, what if a theory is ridiculous? And to those I say, the more we know, the more we get closer to the truth. Let's flood the zone with the history of Igbo land. Subscribe to HistoryNG and be sure to click the bell to never miss a video. And if you want a little more, consider hitting the join button and becoming a member to gain access to exclusive content, members-only polls, fun custom emojis, and more. Your support powers this channel, so thank you in advance for joining.